Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the webinar series 2022 on the topic of filling and packing analysis, result interpretation, second part of the tips and tricks, post-processing. A couple of weeks ago, my colleague Alex Baker had covered the first part, that is pre-processing, and we'll be looking at the post-processing today. I'm Anand Bora, Customer Success Manager here at Moldex3D, and I'll be your host today. We'll be recording this session, and this recording will be shared with the attendees once the recording is available. So please keep your microphones muted, and you can put your questions in the chat, and I will answer them towards the end of the session. Today we'll be covering the 8th part of the how to get a successful injection molding simulation. The first 7 were covered by Alex a couple of weeks ago as part of the tips and tricks part 1 webinar. In today's topic, we'll be covering the 9 questions that we would ask ourselves to ensure that we get a good successful filling packing analysis. So our first question will be, will the part fill? This is a common issue that is out there, and it's one of the most important, one of the most basic, but one of the most important questions to make sure that we have a issue-free part. So in order to understand the answers to this question, there are three ways that we can look at, or 3 different results that we can look at in Moldex3D. If the part does not fill, we are going to have a short, and in order to understand or review the short, the result of the filling pattern, or if do we have a short or not, we can look at 3 different results. First being the melt front time, or the melt flow. The second being the sprue pressure curve, and the third being the flow rate result. And I'll cover these in depth, and we can also look at the log file of the filling analysis. So melt front time is the most obvious result that one can tell whether a part is filled or not, right?